In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WebEx link. This process is simple and will allow you to share your meeting space efficiently. By following these steps, you will be able to connect with others seamlessly. Let's dive right in and make sure you can easily set this up. First, launch WebEx on your device. You may see the WebEx logo, which looks like a stylized W in green and white. When the application opens, it may prompt you to log in. If it does, enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in is essential as it ensures your meetings are secure and personalized. You will be taken to your WebEx dashboard where you can manage your meetings and settings. Once the application is running and you're logged in, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click on the meetings icon on the left sidebar. This icon typically looks like a calendar or clock and is a hub for managing your scheduled meetings. When you click on this icon, you will see a list of your upcoming meetings. This step is crucial because it helps you quickly access all the meetings you've set up. Having a clear view of your meetings allows you to stay organized and prepared. As you navigate through this menu, notice how easy it is to find the information you need. Now click on the icon right beside meetings. This icon usually looks like a plus sign or a new meeting button. By clicking on this icon, you are initiating the process of creating a new meeting or accessing your personal room settings. This action is important because it takes you a step closer to generating your unique meeting link. After you click this icon, you'll see options related to your meetings, further guiding you through the setup process. Once you are there, click the copy icon next to your personal room URL. This icon looks like two overlapping squares and is typically located near your personal room link. By clicking this icon, you ensure that the link is copied to your clipboard. This step is vital as it allows you to easily paste the link wherever you need it without the hassle of manually typing it out. Once you click the copy icon, you should see a brief confirmation or highlight that indicates the link has been copied successfully. Finally, paste the link anywhere, such as Slack, WhatsApp, or email, for others to click. To do this, simply right-click in the text field of your chosen platform and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This action makes it easy for colleagues or friends to access your meeting with just one click. Sharing your personal room link is essential for ensuring everyone can join your meeting without confusion. Once you've pasted the link, take a moment to review it to ensure it is correct. With these steps completed, you are now fully equipped to set up and share your WebEx link. Each step is designed to make your meeting planning simple and efficient. Knowing how to do this not only saves you time, but also enhances your ability to connect with others swiftly. Remember, the more you practice these steps, the easier they will become. Happy meeting!